So for the webinar, I've decided to take a subject out of artificial intelligence, which is actually new hardware for memories and neural networks. And I will talk here actually about why, first of all, do we care about that? Why don't we work with the transistors we have been working from in the last decades? Why is that coming up? What's the need? And then give you some very first examples, for instance, on what is happening actually in new solid-state material device design in that area. What's the knowledge of how charge carriers are involved, and what is currently ongoing in actually making these new type of devices for such applications of the future. When we think about manufacturing and what's really current problems of our world, then we have about 170,000 terawatts of solar light for free. So the question is not that we don't have enough renewables, the question is how to make use of that. And that's quite important. On the other hand, we can say, well, we can make more efficient devices for sure to get energy, but then also we should have an artificial intelligence with rapid demand of having more communication and data transfer, processes in AI that will use less energy therein. I think who should come to the webinar is actually engineers who are interested in learning more on this era, for instance, for AI, learning more about hardware, design device. And also that can be on the one hand from a technical interest and aspect, but it can also be coming from a business aspect, just wanting to know more about that area and exploring actually what's ongoing, what's coming in the next 20 years. So if you're interested in the future, then you should attend my webinar.